everyone, welcome back. Is the Trust Wallet app stuck on waiting in the App Store, failing to download or not showing at all? Running an outdated version causes transaction errors. Here's how to force through it. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down past your Apple ID information and pull down on the screen to force refresh the update list. Look for Trust Wallet and then tap Update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting or the progress circle is frozen, go to your home screen, tap and hold the Trust Wallet app icon and tap Pause to download. Then tap it again to resume download to kickstart the frozen download. If the update keeps failing, check your storage, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to your iPhone storage. And make sure you have at least 1 GB free. Updates fail silently when storage is too slow. Free up space before trying again, or you could scroll down and find the apps that you've unused and offloaded, then retry. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data before trying again. So all you gotta do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free storage in settings, try on mobile data, Trust Wallet will update, and that's it. Subscribe for more.